Okay, let's move on to something important. Do a box or do a softie? Let's do a softie. Ooh, there's a light one. What is it? It's in a piece of cardboard, that's all I can say. Oh boy, piece of cardboard. Distributor. Otherwise known as a timer. What was that? Dear customer, thank you for getting screwed, or buying something. There you go. Well packed, I like that. I know who this came from. This came through Wheels Through Time through a different guy selling it. So, it's an early distributor for a 45 trike, big twin UL, you know, important vehicles like that, flatheads. Eventually I'm going to get to it. Oh, there it is. Almost no rust. Perfect. Broken, of course. Why wouldn't it be? Probably paid way too much money for it. Still rotates, that's a plus. The cam might be a little rusty. Don't worry about pitting. Take some 2,000-3,000 grit paper, sandpaper, run across, make it smooth. Don't try to move anything. Just make it smooth and leave it at that. Don't get carried away. It will change your timing. So this is an early distributor cover, or timer. It's actually a circuit breaker. So it has a post that sticks up that's supposed to have some phenolic material in for an insulator. Well, obviously it's gone, because the points rub on top of that. It's a two-piece point design, and it's broken. So Colony makes a repair kit for fixing those, so that's good. The cover looks round, which is a plus. Doesn't look like it's really rusty, hardly at all, which is really nice. It's got all the screws, threads in there, because it's still got screws in there. It's probably got good threads. Comes with a wire post, which is nice. There's an insulator washer right there too, which is nice to have. It's all good. This piece over here is a little rusty, but it does rotate. Now, even if these things are pure junk, that gear right there is worth the money. If you got a good gear and a good pin in here, the correct pin is a tapered solid pin, not a stupid roll pin that breaks all the time. So you buy these old crappy distributors to get the gear and the pin, you can throw the rest in the trash, who cares. This works on big twins, Sportsters, Sport K models, 45s, VLs, no, not VL. You know, anything that's from 37 and up, it fits it. So anyway, and they're good gears, they don't wear out very often, so if you're going to buy a repop distributor, at least put a good gear on it. Alright, so this goes together like this. This has got the original wiring, it has the metal around it, shielding for military use, spark plug wire suppression. So this came off an old war bike probably, or at least the wire did. Of course it does not want to go back into there because it's fighting me. Oh, it's got the wire still clipped in there. Oh, look at that, that's good. See a little wire clip right there. That goes inside of here, which keeps it from falling through. There you go. See how it goes? Can't fall through now. This is around there so you can rotate it. I was trying to put it together wrong. Now this one's got a little bit of bend in there or something because it's not going together. It's got too much rust in it. Looks like it's flattened out right there. So to straighten these out, just put a big socket around there, a big chunk of round metal, lightly hit it with your hammer. It'll smooth it and make a radius again, you'll be good. I don't like beating them on top of these, but you can beat them on this, but it might bend this too, so I don't like using that. Or just might have a bunch of dirt and stuff on it. Either way, this one doesn't want to go through. It's definitely got a lot of rust right there, which is going to be a problem. Needs to be blasted and cleaned up. Maybe show you some blasting videos how to clean stuff. I don't know. Get bored watching some videos I make. Alright, well there you go. So this is a 1937 through 46. This has a strap that goes around the outside with a post that times it. 48, 47, 48, they had a solid bar that came out, a bolt, and it had an adjustable stop. And this here would have a big notch in here where it would be a stop built into here. So this is the earlier one. So 46 on back. Points go back to 30. But, well, there you go. One more part.